Wow, what's wrong with them?
Very friendly here.
Oh, my Lord.
It's definitely time for a hearty Spanish lunch. It's just a matter of who's going to cook it.
Considering that at the moment, right now, I am the best chef in the car because I won. I think it's only fair that I'm gonna cook for you guys.
So tight.
Okay.
Oh la la, this is tight, this is tight.
We're coming through.
It's so tight.
Yeah.
However,
Oh, shit.
they call it paella, but I mean, it's a risotto, really. So what about if I...
Stop. Do not cook a risotto here.
Gino, we are in Spain. Can we have a traditional classic dish?
Okay, I'll do a paella. I'll do a traditional paella. Gordon, you need to find a place where you can park so then I can cook.
What about further down there? Just on the sort of the beginning dip of the valley.
Be careful on this road. Be careful on this. Be careful.
Stop.
Stay more on the left.
Here we go, here we go.
Be careful on the road.
It's fine.
What? Okay, good.
It's gonna get a little bit
Ease on.
bumpy.
Yeah. Gordon! Oh, Gordon! Don't you even think about it. Gordon! You
Gino,
crazy.
say something.
What do you want me to say?
Say something.
If we got a car coming up. Gordon, so...
It's fine. It's fine.
What do you mean, son? We are on the pebble. Gordon! We are on the pebble.
There you go.
You are impossible, the two of you. Impossible.
What?
But what pleasure do you take doing stuff like that? What is the enjoyment, Gordon?
Let me just straighten up a bit. Oh.
Okay, so that's the spot. That is the spot where we should have done. There is no need
Gordon.
to drive like that. That is...
Why?
Beautiful.
But you...
And breathe.
There is something wrong with you.
After a quick change of underwear, Gino was ready to start cooking.
Can
sure?
you two set up the table and everything else as I'm cooking? Okay. I'm using chicken thighs, and
Yes.
the first thing that you need to do, you season with salt and pepper, and you color the chicken.
Don't start.
He's telling me about paella.
With the incredible Ronda Bridge as a backdrop, Gino's cooking up a traditional Spanish paella. Originating from the Valencia region, it's Spain's national dish. So why on earth we've let the Italian cook it is beyond me.
Thank you.
That's what we
That's
need.
his flash case.
Okay.
All right.
Then you need to massage the What are you doing here?
Hey,
What I do know is this cook needs adult supervision.
don't forget to toast the rice, please.
Yep.
Yes? Let's go. Fred, what are we going to drink, please?
I'm gonna make a white sangria.
A white-
Gino, isn't it too hot in there?
No, it's fine.
But you don't want to set the place on fire. Look at the smoke, Gordon. Gordon, look at